How to get rid of blackheads naturally. Baking soda and water. Baking soda is a good ingredient to remove blackheads. Its small granules work naturally to remove anything clogging your skin pores. Direction. In order to apply this method, you need some baking soda and fresh water. Mix water with baking soda to form a paste that is thick, but spreadable. Massage the paste using a circular motion into your skin. Now rinse thoroughly with fresh and a little cold water. Finally, pat dry your face and use a moisturizer. Note, you cannot overdo it, since baking soda is high in pH that can seriously dry your skin. Cinnamon and lemon juice. Both cinnamon and lemon juice are used to treat blackheads. If you want, then you can also them together. You just have to make a mask with cinnamon powder as well as lemon juice. Direction. If you want to make this mixture, then you have to arrange 3 teaspoons of lemon juice and 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder. You can also add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, however, this is optional. Blend 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder as well as lemon juice with a squeeze of turmeric powder. It is an optional choice. If you want, then you may not add it. Use this as a facial cleaning agent. Apply it on the affected zone and leave it overnight. Wash your face in the morning very well with typical water. For the best result, you have to continue the process for at least 1 week. Note, if you have problems in your skin like acne or other skin problems, then you need not to leave this mask overnight. Just wash your face or the affected area after half an hour. Oatmeal and yogurt mask. The mixture of oatmeal and yogurt is incredible for keeping your skin free of zits or blackheads. You will get a magical result just after using this mask, as it will give you the instant result. Direction. You can make a mask by combining 2 tablespoons of oats, 3 tablespoons of yogurt. If you want, then you can also use 1 or 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Apply the mask to your whole face or the infected area and leave for a couple of minutes, and after that, wash your face with cold water. Note, lemon juice is an optional choice. You may not add it. Yogurt should be plain yogurt. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends for more natural remedies video. Please don't forget subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video.